Right now, roughly 280 million people on Earth are clinically depressed. That's more than the entire population of Brazil, more than the United States and Canada combined. A number so large it barely registers as a crisis anymore. It just registers as normal. But here's what isn't normal. For 290,000 years of human existence, depression at this scale simply didn't exist. Not because ancient humans had easy lives. They faced predators, starvation, injury, and the deaths of people they loved, with no medicine to help them. Their lives were genuinely harder than yours in almost every measurable way. And yet the evidence, from skeletal remains, from anthropological studies of the last remaining hunter-gatherer groups, from the emerging field of evolutionary psychiatry, points to the same conclusion. What is breaking modern human minds was not present for nearly all of human history, and we now know why. In 2012, researcher Stephen Ilardi published a study that reframed everything psychiatry thought it understood about depression. His argument was simple. Depression is not primarily a chemical imbalance in a broken brain. It is a mismatch between the environment the human brain was built for and the environment modern humans actually live in. The brain you are running right now was designed for a specific set of conditions: constant movement, daily sunlight, a diet of varied whole foods, regular physical contact with other people, a small, tight group who knew your name and would notice if you disappeared, purposeful activity that produced immediate, visible results, and sleep aligned with the natural cycle of light and dark. For 290,000 years, every human on Earth had all of these things automatically, not as a wellness routine, just as life. Modern humans have almost none of them. Think about what a typical day looks like now. You wake up before your body is ready because an alarm tells you to. You sit still for hours under artificial light. You eat processed food your biology doesn't recognize. You move through a city of millions of people who don't know your name. You do work whose results are abstract and invisible. You stare at a screen until hours after dark, suppressing the hormones that regulate your sleep. Then you wonder why something feels wrong. Ilardi's clinical trials tested what happened when depressed patients were given back the conditions ancient humans had automatically: regular walking outside, omega-3 rich food, consistent sleep cycles, sunlight, social connection, purposeful physical tasks. The results were not subtle. 64% of patients showed significant improvement, without medication, without years of therapy, simply by returning to the conditions the human brain was actually built for.